Painting portraits is painting someone's soul. They say that when you paint someone's portrait, you really get to know the essence of that person. And if you catch that in the canvas, you have captured their likeness and their soul. This commission was very moving and deep feeling to me as an artist because I got the chance to portray a newborn family of 3. Not only the baby, but the newborn family, which was very special to me. As always, I used the Zorn palette for this commission piece because of its practical approach to capture color, darks, lights, midtones, mix them all together, and its practical approach for new beginners, for mid-term artists, or for expert advanced artists. It's a great palette you should try sometime. Oil paints is my favorite medium to paint because, as you can see, you can blend the color instantly and create this amazing contrast of light and shadows and transmit that 3D look to the portraits. I like this new technique I tried in this painting that you see, which I'm just blending the colors while I paint in the canvas. That's something you should try. It's always good to try new things. Every portrait I paint is a different story, a different human being that gave me the opportunity to get to know and discover him or her without words while I paint. When you paint a male's and a female's portrait, you have to keep an eye on those features that makes a portrait look more masculine or more feminine. For me, it's usually the nose, the shape and width of the face, and the neck. You have to keep an eye on those. And believe it or not, it's my first time painting a bald man and a newborn's portrait. While I was painting the newborn, I discovered that his face features are much more subtle than the grown-up's portraits. You need to be careful with those shadows because if you paint them too dark and too deep, you lose the uniqueness and roundness of the newborn's portrait. It's interesting the lessons a commission portrait painting can give you, the life lessons of change and how we as humans have the power to create life within our bodies, a godly power given to us from the Creator itself. That's why I always say, if you are a creator, an artist, in any realm, no matter what, always create, and create, because that's what you're called to. That's your masterpiece, that's your calling. What will you be creating next? What are your plans to create this week? Tell me in the comments below, I want to know.